Hello, my name is Kenyon Gaines, and I'm going to be doing my presentation on Tableau and sharing my insights on the data that was given for this assignment. So I want to start on sheet 1, which is the percentage of total working years in different education fields. So this is a pie chart, and it's showing the different educational fields, and it shows the total working years. So basically, this chart tells us that life sciences has the most recorded total working years, along with medical, and some of the smaller ones are human resources and other educational fields. Going to sheet 2, this is telling us gender-based rate discrimination. So it's comparing the genders, female and males, and their average hourly rate. As you can see here on job, for example, human resources, a male's hourly rate is 66.21 and a female is 48.25. This chart can show us how the average hourly rate can vary based on their average educational field. So in a medical field, a male gets an average hourly rate of 70, and the female gets 82.5. So I would also recognize that this is a large gap of about 12 hours, and you can also find gaps that are a little smaller, like this 65 to 67, which is about 2 hours, and you can look at this data and see where the largest gaps are, and then go further into it and try and look into why that is. This is sheet 3. This is talking about gender, age, and salary performance hiking. So like sheet 2, this was comparing differences between male and females in different, well, it's not in different fields. So this is based on their performance ratings between male and females and showing how their salaries are hiked. So if you're looking at this, the male would have the hikes going up, and you would just compare these numbers for both performance rating and percent salary hike. Sheet 4, this is attrition count by job/role, job role/department. So this is looking at departments, and you can see here that human resources has some of the lowest attrition counts, along with sales managers and other roles like sales executives and research scientists have higher attrition counts. So taking this all in to the dashboard, I overlaid all 4 of these, and I decided to use filters on education field and gender. I basically wanted to go look more into sheet 2 and look into how these gaps might have been happening. So what you can do with these filters is you can click single out male, and then you can also look into their educational field. So if I wanted to look at male and go to life sciences, medical, and technical degrees, I can look at these and look at the numbers. So you're seeing that males in life sciences have a higher average hourly rate of 71.1, and then it just kind of goes down from there. And then you can bring females back up if you just wanted to single out their educational field and look at that. And you're also looking at their salary performances and all of this stuff here. And that is my insight, and that's how I tried to look at the data. And that is the bulk of my presentation.